Hello and welcome to this maths video, which is dedicated to solving challenging Olympiad questions. In today's video, we will be talking on the difficult problems that will be test our skills and help us to improve our understanding of the mathematical concepts. So grab a pencil and a notebook and let's get started. So today's question is 81 to the power sin squared x plus 81 to the power cos squared x equals 30. So we will do quickly 81 to the power sin squared x plus 81 to the power 1 minus sin squared x equals 30. So we already know that cos squared x equal 1 minus sin squared x. So 81 to the power sin squared x plus 81 to the power 1 over 81 to the power sin squared x equals 30. Because if you have x to the power 5 over x to the power 3, you can write x to the power 5 minus 3. Likewise, if you have 5 minus 3, you can write vice versa, x to the power 5 over x to the power 3. This similarly apply for this part. So we can write 81 to the power 1 over 81 to the power sin squared x. So let 81 to the power sin squared x equal y. So after substituting y to the equation, we get y plus 81 over y equal 30. So we can get the common denominator and cross multiply. So 30y, and you will get y squared minus 30y plus 81 equal 0. Now we have to find the factors here. So if you couldn't find the factors, you can use this equation minus b plus or minus b squared minus 4ac over 2a. But for the 81, we can write 81 as 81 equals minus 3 into minus 27, because here we have minus. So we can write y squared minus 27y minus 3y plus 81 equals 0. So y minus 27 minus 3 y minus 27 equals 0. Y minus 27 is common, so we can write y minus 27 into y minus 3 equals 0. Now you can write y minus 27 equals 0 or y minus 3 equals 0. Okay, from this part we can write y equal 27 or y equal 3. So we already know y equals 81 to the power sin squared x. So we only consider this part here. So we can write 81 to the power sin squared x equal 3 to the power 3. So 81 we can write 3 to the power 4. So this is 3 to the power 4 sin squared x equal 3 to the power 3. So we can write this part 3 to the power 4 sin squared x equal 3 to the power 3, and we can divide 3 to the power 4 sin squared x by 3 to the power 3, then this equals to 1. So after simplifying this part, you have 3 to the power 4 sin squared x minus 1 equal 3 to the power 0. Okay, comparing the left and right sides, we can write 4 sin squared x minus 1 equals 0. Actually this part should be 3. Okay, 3. So we can write sine squared x equal 3 over 4. So sine x equal root 3 over 2 plus or minus. Using the general equation, you can write sine x equal plus or minus root 3 over as sine x equal, we consider plus 3 root 3 over 2 here. So we can write sine x equals sine 5 over 3. So we can write the general equation. So x equal n pi plus minus 1 to the power n pi over 3, n belongs to z. Okay. Okay, for the next part we can write sine x equals minus root 3 over 2. So you know minus in the fourth quadrant, it is in the fourth quadrant. So we can write minus angles like this: sine x equals sine minus pi over 3. So we get the general equation n pi plus minus 1 to the power n into minus pi over 3, n belongs to z. So you can substitute values for n and find the answer. So we'll try here. So we have two equations. One is this part, and other one is x equal n pi plus minus 1 to the power n pi over 3. Is it? Okay. Let's say n equals 0. So we have x equals 0 plus minus 1 to the power 0 minus pi over 3 equals minus pi over 3, and x equals 0 plus minus 1 to the power 0 pi over 3. So we have plus pi over 3. Likewise, by substituting n equal 1, n equal 2, you can get series of answers. Okay. So let's go to the next part. There is sine x sine x 3 to the power 4 sine x sine squared x equals 3 to the power 1. So for this part we can write 3 to the power 4 sine squared x minus 1 equals 1. Again 3 to the power 4 sine squared x minus 1 equals 3 to the power 0. So 4 sine squared x minus 1 equals 0. Sine squared x equal 1 over 4. Then sine x equal plus or minus 1 over 2. So consider the positive one. Sine x equal plus 1 over 2. Sine x equal sine pi over 4. So we have the general equation x equal to n pi plus minus 1 to the power n pi over 4 is it. And for the negative value, sine x equal minus 1 over root 2 equal sine minus pi over 4. So your general equation is x equal n pi plus minus 1 to the power n times minus 5 over 4 is it. So as I explained earlier in this part, you can substitute values for n 0, 1 or 2, then you can get a series of answers. So thank you very much.